Until very, very recently, it was believed that our genes, which are made of DNA, determined our characteristics and most often our health. Now, we know that our living experiences can matter just as much or even more. This is because how we live can cause our bodies to chemically modify our DNA. These modifications to our DNA are called epigenetic modifications and are now thought to be a very, very powerful basis of both chronic disease and chronic wellness. Our organs are made of cells. The DNA in each cell makes the chemicals which does the work of that cell and that specific organ. An example, liver DNA makes chemicals that help digest food. Nervous system DNA makes chemicals that allow emotion, thinking, remembering, and control of our limbs. Muscle DNA makes chemicals that cause muscles to move. And DNA in our sex organs make the chemicals which make the egg and sperm, which make life. So, it is a very, very big deal that our living experiences, that is how we live, affects the function of our DNA, therefore our health, and all of our behavior from birth to death. And these epigenetic modifications may even be passed on to future generations. This is called transgenerational inheritance. As you have seen, our living experiences can lead to chronic disease or chronic wellness by way of the epigenetic modifications of our DNA. However, an individual does not have control over what race, family, culture, political system, climate, and geography they are born into, nor control over what food is available and at what price. This society encourages us to use consumerism, pharmaceuticals, surgeries, and digital toys to feel good. The real solutions come through our community's social and political actions, as well as personal responsibility, because experiencing what we truly need for good health leads to both community and individual wellness.